The perfect fish taco is this: a fish that has been cooked for a few minutes at a high temperature but to the perfect point of doneness, with a little bit of smoke, a salsa tatemada with all the veggies and chiles burned to perfection, and then a slaw that is fresh. Well, if you want to learn how to do that taco fish, this recipe, it's a keeper. Hey guys, I'm Antonio Montes, co-founder of Keveri, and now I have a Keveri H1 in the fast grill mode, 650 degrees Fahrenheit. That's crazy hot. And we are gonna do tacos, fish tacos in no time, perfect recipe for your friends and family. If you don't know how to light your Keveri H1 in the fast grill mode, we have a masterclass in YouTube on our webpage, and we also have an owner's manual that you can learn how to light it in 5 very short steps. So now let's go back into the recipe and let's start with the salsa tatemada. Salsa tatemada is a classic Mexican sauce where you have to burn the veggies. You have to burn the onion, you have to burn the garlic, you have to burn the tomatillo, and you have to burn your chiles. In the Keveri H1, it's very easy to do it. In the first grill rack of your Keveri H1, using the fast grill mode is just gonna take a few minutes. 5 minutes later, we're gonna flip our veggies. We're gonna do 3 more minutes and then remove some of the veggies. We're gonna wait 5 more minutes for the onions. The second step is gonna be the slaw. That is gonna go on top of the taco fish. First, the red cabbage. Now I'm gonna add the red onion. Now I'm gonna add some capers and their juice. I'm gonna add some jalapeno, cilantro, a tablespoon of mayo, lime juice, salt and pepper, and olive oil. And now it's time to stir. Now you have to blend all of this with some olive oil, salt and pepper. And just remember to remove all the seeds from the chiles and the skin from the onion and the garlic. Now let's talk fish. This is a white fish. Any white fish that is fresh and has a decent thickness is gonna work well for this. We're gonna add a wood chunk. I estimate around 3 minutes for the cooking time, and now it's time to season it. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna add pepper and salt. Now let's go to the H1. Finally, after 4.5 minutes, the fish is ready. Now we're gonna heat our tortillas for just 10 seconds, and then we're gonna put them inside a kitchen towel. After 15 minutes, this is ready. Can't you believe it? Just in 15 minutes, 4.5 minutes for the fish to perfection. The tatemada was like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And the slaw is gonna give the perfect freshness to this dish. I really wanna try it. But first, well, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are uploading content about our brand, products, and recipes all the time. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, we upload recipes full length every week, and you're gonna learn so much about real fire cooking with the H1. So now there's nothing more to do. I really wanna try this out.